Sahih Al-Bukhari 3186, 3187, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet ﷺ said, every betrayer will have a flag on the day of resurrection. One of the two sub-narrators said that the flag would be fixed, and the other said that it would be shown on the day of resurrection so that the betrayer might be recognized by it. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3188, narrated Ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. The Prophet ﷺ said, every betrayer will have a flag which will be fixed on the day of resurrection, and the flag's prominence will be made in order to show the betrayal he committed. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3189, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi said, on the day of the conquest of Makkah, there is no migration now, but there is jihad, i.e. holy battle and good intentions, and when you are called for jihad, you should come out at once. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, on the day of conquest of Makkah, Allah has made this a century since the day He created the heavens and the earth. So it is a century by Allah decrees till the day of resurrection. Fighting in it was not legal for anyone before me, and it was made legal for me only for an hour by daytime. So it, i.e. Makkah, is a century by Allah's decree till the day of resurrection. Its thorny bushes should not be cut, and its game should not be chased. Its fallen property, i.e. lokata, should not be picked up except by one who will announce it publicly, and its grass should not be uprooted. On that, Al-Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, accept the izhar because it is used by the goldsmith and by the people for their houses. On that, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, accept the izhar. I can subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.